Hey guys, it's Chad here at Round 2. So we're coming in with a video for June 2019, and we got some really cool stuff to show you guys this month. We've got 5 new model kits for you, some sci-fi stuff, some automotive stuff, a truck kit. There's 2 118 scale cars, and then for 164 scale, we've got a new Johnny Lightning Classic Gold release, a new Johnny Lightning Street Freaks release, 4 new Johnny Lightning dioramas, and a new release from Auto World with the new tools in it. So we're going to jump in and show you guys 164th first. Okay, so first for 164th, we've got our new Auto World release. Now we've been excited to show you guys this release with the new tools. So we've got the B version here. The A version's on its way, but we didn't want to wait. We wanted to show you guys as quick as we could. So we'll start out with this for the Auto World Premium. And here's the brand new tools that you guys have been waiting on. This is the 1973 Chevy Cheyenne fleet side. So this first variation here, you can see the fleet side, that great looking blue paint, white top, white side. And this one has our newly tooled lowered chassis on it as well, with those custom wheels. Just a great looking truck for that. We are so excited to bring these back out. A lot of work went into this tooling. And then next, we've got another variation. This is the 73 Chevy Cheyenne step side, and this one is more of a stock-looking truck with the green paint, the white top, and this has a stock ride height to it, and stock wheels with those white line tires. Just great-looking castings. We're really excited to get them out. Next in this release is the 1962 Chevy Impala SS convertible. This is also a pretty new casting for us. Here it is in black interior. And these A versions will be coming out here soon too. Next, fourth in the release, the 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 XL. Great looking car there. An awesome silver. And the 1974 Buick Estate Wagon. This one's been super popular since we put this release out recently. So that's the next variation for that 1974 model year. And then last in the release, we're bringing back our 2011 Corvette Z06, and this one is a Gulf Racing version. So here's the dark blue Gulf version. Those awesome looking orange wheels and orange stripes on it. So, like I said, we can't wait to get that released out to you guys. We know you've really been waiting on it for a while. We've got a bunch more Johnny Lightning stuff too. So we'll jump in and show you guys that, starting with these Street Freaks. So first off, we're going to start with the Zinger. This is a 1958 Chevy Corvette Zinger, and this is a super cool looking car. That metallic with the gold wheels on it, big gold blown engine, gold side pipes, white wall tires, just a super cool custom for that. And the other version B, just as cool, in purple metallic with chrome and red line tires, red interior. Just really unique looking. Next in the release is black with flames. This is the 1960 Ford Country Squire. So a couple cool variations with this. We did this one in black, and the flame paint job has that wood paneling on the side with the flames going down it. So there's the version A, gloss black, black wheels. And here's the other version here. Slightly different on the flame paint job, more of that just wood color to it, and something different. It's got the same flames on the top as well. Next, we've got a new spoilers car. So this is the custom 1967 Olds Cutlass. So the first one here is in green, with that number 51 on the side, white vinyl top, a white gumball, and the second version is in a dark gold color here, with a black vinyl top. Again, the white gumball, white 51 on the hood. Next up, this is in our blacked out series. This one is super cool. Here's the version here, the 55 Nomad in gloss black, the red stripe, red on the interior, red inside the engine bay, and the other variation here. This is in flat black. It's a little hard to see, with gloss black ghost flames on it. You can see it in the on the camera there. Next, we've got this for our Demolition Derby series, which has proved to be really popular. This is 1972 Chevy Vega wagon. So here it is in gold. That 777's on the side. It says Vegas Baby or Vegas Baby on the side of it. And here's the other variation too, in red and blue. And then next we've also got a new import heat car. So this casting hasn't been out from round 2. So it hasn't been out in a long time. This is the 1995 Honda Accord. So we've done it a little different this time. This version is in red. It's got a carbon fiber weave for the hood, carbon fiber on the trunk. It's got these great looking mesh style wheels with the red lip, white letter Bridgestone Potenza tires. Just really cool looking, and not a lot of people have that model Accord, so it's really cool to see. Here's the other version too, in pearl white. That's actually the same kind of pearl white that sometimes we use for our White Lightning cars, also with the carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk, and we went a little different variation on the wheels here. White wheels, kind of a rally style wheel. And next we also have a new Johnny Lightning release for Classic Gold, so we can jump in and show you guys those cars. First off in that one, there's the 1965 Ford Ranchero. So here's the version A right here. Very dark blue with that tan interior. And this other version is ivy green poly. It's got like a beige top on it, beige cover on the bed there, tan interior on that one as well. Next up for Classic Gold, this is the 1970 Dodge Coronet Super B. So first version here, this awesome looking banana yellow. It's got the yellow wheels with it, the black top, and Panther Pink, that famous Mopar color for version B here, with the Panther Pink body matched wheels and the vinyl top on that one as well. Next in the release, third, this is the 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2. So the first version is that really famous tropical turquoise color. And look at that tan interior in it. And the next one, in this great pale yellow. And tan interior in that one as well. Then fourth in the release, the 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III, making its return again in Wimbledon white with the black top. And version B here, Candy Apple Red. Always a great looking classic with a white top on that. Number 5, 1992 Cadillac Alante in Euro Red, silver wheels. And the other version in Euro White, red line detailing on it. It's got that yellow line tire that is real popular on a lot of Cadillacs nowadays. And sixth in this release is 1972 Chevy Vega GT in this great looking Gulf green poly. Really love that color with white interior, white stripes. And here also in pewter silver. Black stripes on that one. And then lastly, for Johnny Lightning, we've got some new dioramas. So we've got Greatest Generation dioramas that are coming out as well. So first one here, the Frontline First Aid Combat Medical Unit diorama. So you've got the medic tent up here to set the vehicle on. And then you can see the GMC CCKW 6x6 truck, the medic truck that goes on the bottom. And second in that release, we did the air support diorama as well. You've got the hangar up here, Delta hangar. And on the bottom is that P-51 Mustang, World War II era. Great looking for that. And then the last two for dioramas. These should both be super cool. We've got more coming for Godzilla. So this first one is the Ground Assault Godzilla. This is the Willys MB Jeep. And you can kind of see on the Jeep, it's got really cool Japanese characters on the bumper, as well as that resin figure in the back of the Godzilla towering over it. So just a cool looking display for that one. And lastly, this is our Barris Custom diorama. So this is the 1949 Mercury Coupe. So we've got it set up here. It's a project in progress at the Barris shop. We've got it printed. Looks like it's got newspaper over the windows and the Barris shop in the background to also be added in. So that's everything we got for 164. A lot of stuff. Next we'll jump in and show you guys the two 118 cars. Alright, so for 118, first up what we got for you guys. This is a new release for our Muscle Car and Corvette National Series, so you know we have to have one of those to show you guys. This is a super cool one, the 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ. So what's cool about this, as all of our muscle car and Corvette Nationals cars, this car was at the show. We met the owner at the show and replicated his car to exacting detail. So this has opening doors and hood, detailed engine, steerable front wheels, and with all of our muscle car and Corvette National cars, we do have the photos of the actual car in the back. So you can see the owner there, Scott Mancini. And this car was actually one of only 302 made with the factory 4-speed transmission and the colors and everything it was. And the real car for this is all original Survivor car, except for a couple of minor paint corrections. So just a super cool piece of history, super cool car, and we're glad that we were able to do it. So you don't see a lot of 69 Pontiacs and die-cast, so really excited about that one. And another kind of unique car here too, the 1969 AMC AMX is our other release. So this particular car was a cover car for the May 2006 issue of Hemming's Muscle Machine. So this, like all of our others, opening doors and hood on it. The engine's fully detailed, interior, chassis, all of that stuff, all made out of heavyweight die-cast metal. And both these cars are limited, one of 1,002. So a lot of cool stuff with this. Love that bright orange paint and those black stripes on that car. So we're excited to get those out to you guys. Next, we're going to jump in. We're going to show you guys the model kits. All right, guys. So first off, for model kits, we've got a new truck kit. We know you guys have always been asking about the truck kits. So the new one coming out is this Peterbilt Wrecker. So we did a lot of cool stuff with this kit. It does have the custom Wrecker body on it, 2-piece telescopic boom. We got a new decal sheet for it. We stuck with that vintage style packaging, and you can see kind of some of the new decals that are included with it. 24-hour towing, all the cool Peterbilt stuff, big rig stuff, and some of the kit accessories, tool chest, oil drum, bumper guards. Lots of super cool stuff coming with this, so we're excited to see what you guys build out of it. And there's a look too at the big huge parts tree for this one. And then next up, sticking with the automotive themed kits, this is a super cool one. We're really excited about. I'm personally really excited about this one. The 4x4 Subaru Brat kit. So what's cool about this one? I don't believe that this kit has ever been out since 1978 when it was like originally made. So we have expanded the decal sheets to it. It's got the all original parts on it. Lots of really cool stuff too. You can build kind of an original version, or you can build an off-road version here with the off-road lights, the bumper or brush guard on the front of it, cool custom Firestone tires that come with it, I believe, and then the famous, obvious jumper seats in the back. And there's a look at that parts tree for that kit as well. And next for automotive, we've got our next Dyno Don kit. This is the Dyno Don Mercury Cyclone Eliminator 2. So what's cool about this kit, it's got the original tooling with the supercharged engine included. We did a new decal sheet with a lot of different options added to it. Kept the vintage style packaging, of course, and just super cool looking kit. You can get a look at the parts tree on that one as well. And then next up, this is something a little different. We're actually bringing back some of the MPC bicycle kits. So this first one coming out is the Schwinn Stingray Classic Crate. So this is the 1/8 scale plastic model kit. So there's a lot of really cool features with this kit too. It's got, you can see some of the chopper features here. You can do an optional high-rise sissy bar, custom seat, reg chopper front wheel, dragster style rear tire. Comes with a tool case, horn bulb, chrome parts, different kinds of customizing decals, and you can kind of get a look at some of that cool stuff here to do the orange crate, apple crate, lemon peeler, all those awesome old Schwinns. And then lastly, there's a look at the parts tree. So that should be a pretty simple build and just really cool, something a little different. So lastly, for Sci-Fi, we do have one more newly tooled kit for you guys. So this is the USS Shinzu NCC 1221 from the Star Trek Discovery series. So what's cool about this? This is the 1/25th or 1/2500th scale kit. It is a snap together, so it goes together pretty easy. Really easy to assemble on it, and it does come with the base for it, and a couple other pretty cool things, the water slide decals that come with it, and you can kind of get a look here. Only 26 parts, about 6.5 inches long. It's molded in color, like we said, for ease of putting it together. But we do include the full color paint and decal guide too. And actually, here's a look at the new decal sheet for it as well, so you can kind of see that cool metallic shimmer that it's got. Just should be a really cool build to put together on it. So yeah, that's everything we've got for model kits 164th, 118. We got a lot of new stuff coming out, so thank you guys for watching the videos. You can go to our Facebook pages, you can go to our Instagram pages. I'll put all those links below, or see us at round2corp.com. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in July.